Namaste. I, JVN Neha Sharma, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Department of Science and Technology, Faculty of Education and Methodology. So, our today's topic is error detection and correction. So, in this lecture, we discuss about what is error correction and detection, and what are the techniques of error detection and correction. Right? So error detection and correction basically used in both data link layer and the transport layer, right? So here we can study how the error detected and corrected in the data frames and data packets used to be sent by the sender to the receiver side. Okay, so what is the error basically? So the data can be corrupted during transmission. It may be affected by external noise or some other physical imperfection. In this case, the input data is not same as the received output data, and this mismatched data is called error. The error will cause loss of important secure data. Even one bit of change in data may affect the whole system's performance. Generally, the data transfer in digital system will be in the form of bit transfer. In this case, the data error is likely to be changing positions of 0 and 1. तो बेसिकली हम यहाँ पे बाइनरी सिग्नल भेज रहे हैं नेटवर्क वन से नेटवर्क टू पे। अगर उसमें कोई भी नॉइज़ आ जाती है तो एक बिट में एरर आ सकते हैं, 2 बिट में एरर आ सकते हैं, या फिर हो सकता है 2 से ज़्यादा बिट में भी एरर आ जाए। तो ये जो एरर है वो ये जो नॉइज़ ऐड हो जाती है इसके कारण बिट्स चेंज हो जाती है और हमें एरर मिलती है। तो बेसिकली type of errors. So in a data sequence, if 1 is changed to 0 or 0 is changed to 1, it is called bit error. And there are three types of error occurring in data transmission from transmitter to receiver. And they are single bit error. अगर एक bit में error है, so single bit error, multiple bit error. अगर 2 bit में error है या 2 से ज़्यादा में error है, then burst error. So single bit error is what the change in one bit in the whole data sequence is called a single bit error. Occurrence of single bit error is very rare in serial communication system. This type of error occurs only in parallel communication as data is transferred bitwise in single line. There is a chance that single line to be noisy. Like for example हम एटम का ले सकते हैं। हम जब एटम चलाते हैं तो बहुत बार सिग्नल कैच नहीं होता है हमारा। तो वो क्यों कैच होता है या फिर तो कैच होता है तो वो उसमें नॉइज़ आती रहती है पीछे से। इवन फ़ोन कॉल्स में भी जब हम कभी-कभी कनेक्ट करते हैं तो कनेक्ट तो हो जाता है कॉल, लेकिन नॉइज़ आती रहती है पीछे से, या फिर 2 कॉल क्रॉस टॉक हो जाते हैं कभी-कभी। तो ये सब एरर्स के कारण ही होता है, नॉइज़ के कारण ही होता है। सो occurrence of single bit error is very rare in serial communication, so it is always occur in parallel communication, right? So here you can see like one the data is 0 1 0 0 1, and what we are received is at receiver is 0 1 0 1 0. So the bit in red color is changed. It's from 0 to 1. Okay. So this is single bit error. Multiple bit error, if there is a change in two or more bit of data sequence of transmitter to receiver, it is called multiple bit error. This type of error occur both in serial type and parallel type data communication. So here you can see 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 uh, 0 1 0 0 1 1, and here you can see 0 1 0 1 1 0, right? So here you can see there is a change in two bits which are in red color. First is 0 to 1 and second is 1 to 0, and the third one is burst error. So the change of set of bit in data sequence is called burst error. The burst error is calculated in from the first bit change to last bit. So here you can see 1 0 0 1 0 1, and what we get here is 1 0. So this is burst error. So calculated and from the first bit change to last bit, right? So first bit में ही change हो रहा है तो burst error है. Here we identify the error from fourth bit to sixth bit. The number between fourth and sixth bit are also considered as error. So these set of bits are called burst error, and these burst bit changes from transmitter to receiver, which may cause a major error in data sequence. And this type of errors occur in serial communication because they are difficult to solve, right? So error detecting codes. कैसे हम डिटेक्ट करते हैं, तो बेसिकली बर्स्ट एरर इज व्हाट कैलकुलेटेड इट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट बिट चेंज टू द लास्ट बिट। जैसे कि यहाँ पे हमारा चेंज हो गया है जीरो में, मतलब फर्स्ट बिट में ही चेंज हो गया है, तो हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे कहाँ तक, जहाँ तक हमारा अगला चेंज आया, और अगला चेंज हमारा कहाँ पे आया है, यहाँ पे जीरो वन टू थ्री फोर, फोर्थ बिट पे हमारा चेंज आया, तो हम कहाँ से कहाँ तक आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हैं एरर को, जीरो से फोर्थ बिट तक, तो ये हमारी पूरी क्या कहलाएगी, बर्स्ट एरर कहलाएगा। ठीक है, तो ये हमारा बर्स्ट एरर हो गया। इसके बाद में आता है एरर डिटेक्टिंग कोड, कि एरर तो आ गई है, अब पर हम इन्हें डिटेक्ट कैसे करेंगे रिसीवर पे कि हमें जो मिला है उसमें एरर है, तो उसको डिटेक्ट करने के लिए कोई तो हम मेथड यूज करेंगे। So for effective communication, data should be transferred with high accuracy, and this can be achieved by first detecting the error and then correcting them. So error detection is a process of detecting the errors that are present in the data transmitted from transmitter to receiver. In a communication system, we use some redundancy codes to detect these errors by adding to the data while it is transmitted from source, and these codes are called as error detecting codes. So type of error detection are basically parity checking, CRC, and checksum, and we have studied these all these methods of error detection in the next lectures. So in this lecture we are discussing the what is error, the type of errors, and the error detection methods, right? Error detecting codes. So yeah, that's all for this lecture. Thank you so much.